What is a maverick? Someone who can't be contained, who's independent and determined to roam wherever they please. Sound like you? Then carve out your own path with the Can-Am Maverick X3 XRC. The XRC brings to the table everything you love about the X3, but with added features specifically designed for rock crawling, allowing you to conquer the rocky routes others wouldn't attempt. Whether it's up or downhill, with the touch of a button, you can engage the all-new Smart Lock system, locking off the front differential at the right time so you can attack the most aggressive crags. Select between a 4x4 fully locked front differential or the two Smart Lock modes dedicated to delivering optimal traction in rock mode for climbing, or the trail mode while traveling to and back from your favorite rock crawling spot. Whichever mode you select, you can change it while riding without the need to stop, slow down, or straighten the wheels. Have confidence in your ascent with beadlock wheels and added traits that were made to handle and dominate the most technical terrain. Because in an uncompromising environment, you need a rugged machine that can dish back the punishment. A driver-focused cockpit allows you to feel completely connected to your vehicle without compromising ground clearance. And with 24 inches of suspension travel, you and your comrades can push the limits until there are none. Bring your family and friends and blow their minds with the trailblazing capabilities of this rock-wrecking rebel. You aren't easily swayed by a few bumps in your path, so why should your machine be? It's time to climb. The all-new Maverick X3 XRC. Unleash your inner maverick.